Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at Matic. Gonna see what's going on here. Are we gonna break this recent high at 87.1 or are we gonna reject and come all the way back down? Just kidding. We're gonna, well, I mean, I'm not kidding, of course, because any of those scenarios are possible, but we're gonna double check all of that. We're gonna jump into the backend data here really first just to open up with quickly so you can kind of understand where the liquidation level lies. I think it's an important thing to note. Unfortunately, shorts are getting smashed, and they're probably going to continue to getting smashed. So I'm not sure why anyone is shorting this coin. Again, when people see things go up, they assume it has to go down right away. Cryptocurrency is well known for going the opposite direction of what you think it is, and actually being a strategy. So some people just use logic and do the reverse logic, and it works out very well. So right now, logic would tell you the price is going to come down because it's overextended. Not true. Massive amounts of liquidation, the more people that continue to try to short this coin is exactly the reason why it keeps going up. Okay, so again, tons and tons and tons of liquidation as the price increases here. 88 cents, we have another concentration, or 87.5, effectively for a liquidation region. We do have lower liquidation levels at about 74 cents, so keep in mind 74 is another potential target. So 74 and 88, let's go ahead and put that on the charts here just to give you perspective. 88 is right here, and 74 is pretty far down there. Okay, so again, most time liquidation levels are just below recent highs or lows. Okay, so we can kind of see that. All right, so again, that's a bit of a spread, but that's effectively where we're at here. Which one do you think would get hit first? Just based on proximity. Yeah, 88 cents is going to get destroyed here in a moment. If we may even see it during this recording. Either way, that is a positive contributing factor for longs, right? So in essence, right now, with the price action being overextended, just to jump right into it, we're at a 9+1. Hypothetically, the price is supposed to pull back, but my guess is it won't, because we have this nice little concentration of consolidation, and that's a positive sign too. Okay, speaking of concentration, let's take a look here at our premium group. We got some awesome group trades here. OP, we took 85% this morning, and the same thing with ARB as well, 87%. Previously took some profits from Near Protocol. Didn't get filled on Adam, Cardano, and Casper, but those did inevitably hit their targets, and same thing with Gala as well. You got to keep in mind the common theme here, all long positions. Right? I'm showing you that because you need to understand that shorting this market right now is a bad idea. Again, I have one short open right now. It's got a decent average price. That's a Bitcoin short, to be honest. But again, if it breaks our resistance, I don't mind hitting our stop loss because it's going to be tremendously less of a problem than all these longs we have in place. Okay, so just know, all good. Keep your trades open right now. We got some pretty nice little longs that are getting closer to their targets. Okay, I wanted to mention that, just kind of preface and let you know, congrats first of all, but also just try not to short. People get short heavy just because something goes up quickly. It's not really the way to trade. You're just kind of randomly throwing money at the market and seeing if it sticks, and it's like throwing meat at the wall, right? Some of it will stick, but for the most part it won't. We don't want to throw our money at the wall. We don't want it to stick. We want the money to stay in our pockets and effectively continue to grow. All right, I'm sorry, these meat analogies are not working. Apologize for that. Let's talk about the daily here. Quickly to note, we're back up over 50 on the RSI. Phenomenal situation there. Money flow index averaging right at 50. That's perfect. I actually like to see that. I prefer the money flow index to stay above the price action, but in this case, lagging situation with the price having recently pulled back, or this 24-hour period, we've only seen 2 strong green days so far. Keep in mind, we see a third green day tomorrow. The 4th day might be a little on the red side. That's a very common characteristic. Either way, MACD is trying to converge but hasn't yet. So daily time frame is looking pretty decent. Where's our moving averages at? Let's take a look here. I wouldn't say I spoke too soon, but we're still good. I mean, unless we pull back to 84 cents, we're above the 20-day SMA and the 50. That's a very, very strong sign. Okay, so Matic is back in play, baby. We're looking pretty good here. Take a look here at the 4-hour time frame. Same thing as well with the moving averages on the 4-hour. Looking pretty fantastic there. Stochastic starting to swing down, but we're getting our second convergence. That's typically when it means business. Okay, so I'm not saying to take a long, but that would be a contributing factor here towards the upside, that the likelihood of the price going up further from here is greater than it going down. Take a look at the money flow index and RSI, all right at that sweet spot too, just barely under 70. Money flow index above the price action. We want to see that. That's extremely important. MACD is converging still. Look at that. We're still increasing. That is insane. Love to see that as well. So that's awesome news. Again, we're at a 9+1 on TD sequential, but honestly, that 12 to 24-hour period here, more like 16 hours, we had a lot of consolidation at that time frame. So that's really important. Hypothetically, we should be able to continue without retracement. We'll look at the hourly and confirm that though. This is my time frame I like to use for confirmation. as far as just swing trading is concerned. I typically go as low as a 15-minute time frame using my CC Golden indicator as well for, just kind of letting me know what side of tracks we're on. But let's go ahead and quickly double check this here. My goodness, this is like a perfect situation. Everything is green light, leave your long position open. Do not short this coin. I'm gonna start, I don't know if I should make a recording and just put it on loop or repeat, or make a little jingle. Do not short this coin. There's got to be something we can do to just get that out there in the world, because these bears are just getting destroyed. And again, there's certain times where you can short little areas here and there. If you're going to short now, tight margins, please. Don't use high leverage or position size. Try not to be a bravado online here. Have to post your 100x 1000% trade on Twitter. God, isn't that good old? Anyways, what I'm getting at here is this is all green lights here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Just quickly note here with our CC Golden, we've got all buy signs here. Every potential confirmation we can get here right now. Because again, this indicator is quite simple. In other words, it tells you when to find entry, right? So just say you got in here, hypothetically, you can get out roughly where this red arrow is, roughly 4.5%. Same thing here, you get in, say, a little late, you get out a little late, 3.5%. Get in here, there, 4.5%. You can kind of see how that thing works. Again, really good for finding entry. So this is confirming that we have multiple buy signals after we had a recent sell signal. Okay, so this leads me to believe the price is probably going to continue higher. Again, with that target right there at about 88 cents for the liquidation levels, there's almost no doubt that this price is going to continue. So anyways, those are my 2 cents. I hope you learned something here today. Do yourself a favor and join the best exchange in the world. They have phenomenal benefit rewards if you use my link to register, trading competitions, but more important, no KYC, no VPN, multiple profit targets. They also have, trailing stop losses. Most exchanges don't even offer that. So thanks again, Bitunix, for an awesome offer for our community. And obviously, again, if you're considering becoming a community member here, jump on over. CryptoCash.tech is the site, link down below if you're curious. Definitely got a lot of new members coming over, so be sure that you read our signals guide so you know specifically how to utilize our signals, because the day trades and the swing trades perform a lot differently. You never want to wear your day trading hat while you're swing trading and vice versa. Some people try to do both too much and too often, and it leads to problems. So just slow your roll, pump the brakes, watch my trading university videos, get a little more calm and collected, and then you can trade. All right. Again, different strokes for different folks, but I think that's probably pretty beneficial. Everyone should at least watch that once through if you are new to my community. All right, folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.